Can you start the session?
So, am I starting the session right away?
No, sir. My host will be introducing to you.
Okay.
Just give us 1 to 2 minutes. I think there is some technical glitches. We will correct them and we will start the session. Give us 1 to 2 minutes. Okay.
Can you move me from the host settings because I'm not presenting anything.
Sure, sir. I will.
Yeah.
So, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our free live webinar, Deepfakes Decoded, Spot AI Frauds, UPI Scams, and Unfreeze Your Assets Live. I'm your host for today's session, organized by Legal Vidya. Established in 2021, Legal Vidya is a leading online edtech platform offering internships, workshops, webinars, certificate courses, and article publication opportunities to support legal learning. Today, we'll explore how AI based cybercrimes like deepfakes, voice cloning, phishing, and UPI frauds are increasing, and what legal steps you can take to protect yourselves. This session is also a special preview of our upcoming cyber law course, where participants will get deeper training in cybercrime investigations, digital evidence, RBI norms, complaint mechanisms, and cyber law frameworks. We are honored to have Advocate Mahul Bansal sir, founder and CEO of Talent Advocacy and legal reporter at J Times News. And I am excited to share that he will also be the instructor for our upcoming cyber law course, making this webinar a perfect introduction to his teaching style and expertise. With that, I invite Advocate Mahul Bansal sir to begin the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. What is your name?
You
Thank you, whoever the host is,
You
for
can give
such
your
a
breath
warm
as well.
welcome in such a cold weather. So, the weather is actually cold here. So, starting with our session, first of all, I'll tell you this won't be a monologue. I am not the one just speaking. You guys will be putting away all your ideas. You can just raise your hands. You can speak. You can put your questions right away. We can resolve them in this session itself rather than going ahead towards anything else. After that, as well, you'll be getting a chance to connect with me over LinkedIn and put your questions there, and we can take away over those things. Starting with our webinar, the topic. Okay. Cyber crimes. How many of you have actually faced cyber crimes? Anyone?
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
No
But
please.
I
worries.
request to all the participants to please turn off their video cameras as it affects the recording.
कर लो यार. No one has done anything to like just hide your faces, right?
Yeah, you want to show your faces, that's it, but don't show any other thing like hand or something like that.
And तो मैंने पूछा यार.
Then बच्चे हाथ दिखा रहे थे like इसलिए मैंने कहा.
That's not an issue. वो तो I asked a question, so that's it. No worries यार, कर लो यार. Take a minute. Turn on your cameras. Let us interact over this topic today.
सर आपका आवाज कम आ रहा है.
Hello.
हाय सर.
Is it audible now?
योर ऑडियो इज लो.
Just a second.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
my camera is not so good, so I'm unable to on the camera.
Good in what sense?
Sir, my camera quality is not good.
No one is saying anything over your camera quality. Am I audible now, Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can proceed with the
Yes,
webinar.
yes, yes. Your voice is very much clear.
Okay. So, starting with my question itself, uh, how many of us have faced cyber crimes here? Me too. I am included. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
Who
have
else?
also.
Not yet.
In what sense? What kind of cybercrime have you like faced? Tithi.
Sir, I paid through UPI,
Okay.
and it was a means portal, not portal, it's a website. It was just coming in YouTube that they will deliver the product. I'm not saying what kind of product I was intent to purchase, but I paid after seeing the product was good, look good, and quality it seems good. So I paid them, trusting them. But they, after getting the payment, they are completely silent. Their phone number is invalid. Their email ID is invalid. I am not able to reach them out in any way, neither phone number nor email ID. Also, their logistic partners, they are not picking up the calls. Their numbers coming invalid. So
Okay.
tried to reach out to the owner or the a farmhouse where from they are just purchasing the product and delivering through logistics. So they are also the means ignoring these things. They are saying no, we are not delivering this product to that logistic partner. So how to reach out that part? Now
I'll tell
let's
you. No worries. We'll
let's
resolve
dig.
your matter. We'll get your money back towards the end of the session.
So I did after that means couple of days gone. After that, I reached out to my bank that there from the money was debited. So I just prayed the means put up a prayer before my bank that I want charge back. So my bank has initially it was not means agreed to register a complaint, but after that they just gave me a complaint ID number. I just means also forwarded that thing with all the details, screenshots, and payment details to the cyber PS, local cyber PS. They are completely silent. They are not taking any kind of action. They are saying it's a long process. You have to go to the court. You have to fight for this thing, that thing. You have to do. So
I'll
thought
tell you.
it.
No worries. Towards the end of the session, I'll tell you how to get your money back. Yes, Sapna ma'am, would you like to discuss your incident? Sapna ma'am, are you there? Hello. I think so. She's having some technical glitch. No worries. So we saw an incident here that she paid, but that was some through some third party site, and after that it was completely invalid and etc and etc. So these kinds of things happen. How many of us have seen bank accounts get frozen? Like a bank accounts get froze, right? For one or the other reasons.
Sorry, sir. Are you asking me?
Everyone in
Uh,
general. I'm not
sir,
pointing out to anyone.
question, please. I just missed it, sir.
No worries, no worries. My question is, how many of us have seen bank accounts get frozen? Yes, Mansi or maybe Akanksha. Would you like to speak or Arpit? Okay, so Sapna ma'am, would you like to speak on this? Okay, no worries. So again, coming to the point that we have seen bank accounts get frozen for one or the other reasons. Some money came, like 10 rupees came from some illegal account, or and the chain of banks got froze. Right, our bank was within that. Again, UPI, same, paid through UPI, no solution. So, do you think are we able to actually catch, or are they able to actually catch the person who is involved in this thing?
Yeah, if you can report immediately to the 1930 and
Okay.
cyber cell division immediately, then I think on a war footing basis, they will definitely, catch hold of people.
Okay. Muhammad says yes. How many with him? How many of us are with him? Like in such a if we call on 1930, so our solution will be given or a person won't be caught.
No, sir. Solution. We will not get any solution, sir. Only it's a application platform. They'll keep on say that it is under inquiry only.
True, true. I'll tell you a recent incident with one of my good friends. He's also an advocate. What happened? Her mother, same, she bought some parcel from some third party. Logist parcel came, but the thing that was ordered was not there. Now we are going through consumer matter, like that will be filed in 2 days. That's a complete consumer matter. Then we can file on online cyber portals. Like if you get some emails, we have seen news like that Microsoft one RN soft, Microsoft ka RNI soft. So that news is going on in frequent, like how people are getting smart over such things. But how are they getting smart? Like, are we giving them the power or do they have power already? Again, a question. Speak up, speak up. Do they already have a power or are we giving the power with buying more and more phones and devices and everything?
We are
So
giving power.
We
we
giving
are
the power.
providing them.
We
We are
are
giving
giving
the
the
power.
power.
Okay, so we know that we are giving the power. So why doesn't it stop? Like, I am giving you the power for something. I know I have 4 devices, one laptop, one tab, two phones, and one smartwatch as well, five. So my data is continuously getting transferred to the companies, right? They are selling the my data. How can we stop that? Button wala phone खरीद लें. Should we buy that छोटा वाला phone?
One and only way to increasing our knowledge. Actually, we think we have the whole knowledge, but sometimes we don't know we have the means we are lagging knowledge. That's why we sometimes ignore and we don't means stop them, and that's why they are getting the power.
Okay. Coming to the ignorance part, you put a good point, I think. So coming to the ignorance part, when Chat GPT launched that sari wala thing, right? Every girl was putting their photos. ठीक है, men were putting for kurta pajama and everything. So are we were not aware that such a thing or other things, one or the other thing could happen?
That's a lack of our knowledge, sir.
How can you lack knowledge? We are uploading. We really will, as lost, not just as law students, as general public who are educated after 12th, do we actually do not know that what all can happen, what all can be the implications?
So the implications are well known, but still people upload the photos for the sake of trends, for the sake of competing with each other.
Yes,
It's trendy, let me do it so that I don't get that fear of missing out.
true. I didn't put my photo. One of my friends put my photo and generated some photo. Again, my privacy is breached. It's a true incident. I didn't never uploaded the photo on this Gemini or Chat GPT or anything. But one of my good friends did so. And he was like, everyone is going with trend. You should also go with trend. मैं कहा, why? पूछा किसी ने? Why did you? Curiosity, attention seeking, yes. Then again, peer pressure. Even if we do have knowledge, there is a peer pressure that we have. Then again, what about cryptos? NFT came recently. एक महीने में पैसा डबल, right? पैसा डालो कुछ you invest 10,000, minimum amount was 10,000. It was getting doubled, but after some time it got closed. How? Didn't we knew such things could happen? Okay. No action taken. You are sending some news article, right? Yes. She's sending some news article.
Yes, sir. This thing I want to highlight before all the participants because this is a means business they are doing, but they know means not only the consumer forum, not only the means the cyber P is taking action to stop them. They are doing so. Means it is highlighted in Google page, first page, front page. So I have also been cheated by this. So I'm just sharing my experience, as well as I am just I uh, I'm just sharing my knowledge to everyone, so
That's
that
really good. That's really good if you're sharing it with everyone. See, everyone, I maybe if I know there would be a WhatsApp group. We guys can keep sharing news articles and portals and everything with each other over a period of time. And if we are in the course, definitely. Then again, okay, my bank account got freeze. I'll tell you a live incident. My Munshi word, how many of us understand here? Almost everyone, right? My Munshi's bank account is still frozen, and bank is not giving the copy of the complaint. They are just saying we got some copy of the complaint. Yes, Mohammed, do you want to say something? Yes, Kashish.
No, 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 not now.
Okay. This one was not refunding, but I took action by myself, and they forced to refund after 1 month. So be careful. Okay, so you got a refund eventually, right?
yes,
So
sir.
talking about my Munshi, his bank account is frozen for some 10,000 rupees. We are after the bank that you give us the copy. Bank is always like कि हम देख लेंगे. What does bank have to do with this thing? कि हम देख लेंगे. Bank तो should be giving solutions or no? Guys, speak up, speak up.
Yes, sir.
Come out of your shells. There's no such thing as layman question or layman point. You can keep up your points. No one is judging you.
Sir, I don't get the question, please. Bank about?
Why is bank not giving any solution? If bank has the complaint copy,
Mhm.
why is not why does the bank not provide me with the copy of that complaint? If I want
So
to resolve things,
that is like not sort of interest in their field. Nothing.
but bank account is frozen, they have the bank account in that particular branch, they have the complaint copy, they can resolve if they want. They can return me rest of the money and keep the money whatever is frozen and keep investigating. But why is bank
Sir,
not
there's
taking
no
interest?
checks and balances upon the bank until anyone complains in the court.
That's what bank is always like, जब तक कोर्ट इन्वोक नहीं हो रहा, we are not doing anything. That's why people have to go through a long procedure of courts. Otherwise, the banks have all the power to unfreeze your accounts and investigate over matters and everything. This is the bank that is at fault. I'll say it openly. How many of us are bank? How many are of our parents are working in banks? Banks में कितनों के काम करें या who is anyone interested in banking sector, banking regulations or anything? Saurav is interested. So, in
So,
what kind of form are you interested in banking sector?
so
Okay,
sorry,
yeah, speak up.
sorry to interrupt, sir.
No
Uh,
worries, no worries.
One question roaming in my head.
Hmm.
That's why. Why and when in in situation bank account gets freeze? Means still now I'm not means facing, or I haven't faced this kind of problem. But I want to be aware myself, so that I can demand means to my bank why you did this. That's why I want to know.
What happens is bank will get a complaint copy from the cyber cell that freeze this account for such and such, because such and such amount of such and such date, such and such transaction has been made. So freeze this account. Okay. What happens is, say for example, I send you 10 rupees via your QR code. I did some fraud transaction, or some of the person, 10th or 12th or 100th person did some fraud over those 10 rupees. So each account in chain will be frozen. So once such things happen, just go to the bank, take a copy of the complaint, and tell them that there is a judgment of Supreme Court that will you to allow to just freeze the account that is under suspicion. That is under investigation. Rest of the amount will not be frozen. You can take that amount. You can use that amount.
सर फ्रीज्ड अकाउंट से पैसा यूज हो सकता है?
Freeze account में से they'll provide you with the cash. वो कैश दे देंगे. वो कहेंगे कि you take out the rest of the amount. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दी है यार. रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज गिवन जजमेंट दिस ईयर इटसेल्फ कि whatever I'll do share the judgment. I'll share the judgment with the team and they'll share the document with you. So what happens again? वहां से चेन टूटेगी and you can use rest of the amount. Definitely, I'll definitely share the judgment. So again, we have discussed bank freezing or a type of cyber crimes. We have discussed ये ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. We have discussed other kinds of cyber crimes as well. What else? What else can you think that can be a cyber crime?
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Hmm.
I have the opinion with everyone here in this Zoom meeting. Kindly, go to the YouTube and search for Jamtara. There is a village in Madhya Pradesh.
There's
That's
a
the
movie
main.
itself, yeah. There's a movie
Yes,
itself.
season 1, 2,
सर
3. You can find out the pattern, the people who are involved. The age group is just 14 and 16 years old. They form a group and start exploiting people with all sorts of cyber crime, so that we'll have a good knowledge of how, where, why, when these things are carrying out.
Sir, I want to correct you that it is in Jharkhand, not in Madhya Pradesh.
हाँ,
Jharkhand
Jamtara is
only.
in
Yeah,
Jharkhand.
sorry. Yeah, Jharkhand,
Yes,
Jharkhand. Yeah.
no
Major
worries, sir.
of these things are said to be done in Jharkhand.
Yeah.
For what reason, I have no idea, but still.
Sir, that is like an apex center.
Hmm. But then Bihar is
That
also connected. Other states are also connected somewhere or the other.
सर बिहार कनेक्टेड होगा, वो हम नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं
This
होगा,
is the
लेकिन
epicenter basically.
जामताड़ा का नाम बहुत आता है इस चीज में. ऐसे बोला जाता है ना कि अगर जैसे जैसे इंडिया का आईटी सेक्टर हो गया, जैसे बैंगलोर को बोला जाता है सिलिकॉन सिटी, वैसे ही एक तरह से साइबर क्राइम का एक तरह से उसको आप कह सकते हैं कि जामताड़ा में सबसे ज्यादा
We
होता
can.
है. सर वहीं
Yes,
से तो
yes, yes, yes.
सर वहीं से तो शायद कहता है कि अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ भी फ्रॉड हुआ.
ठीक, बहुत कुछ,
Yeah,
बहुत
most
लोग
of the
बहुत कुछ.
celebrities. Yeah.
चलिए,
Exactly. That is the epicenter basically.
अब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा अमिताभ बच्चन खुद किसको यूपीआई ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनकी ट्रांजैक्शन उनके बैंक सीएस के थ्रू चल रही होगी. कौन है जमतारा से? सौरभ इज फ्रॉम जमतारा. So Saurabh, what is your experience sitting in that particular city? What is your experience? लोग तो चलो बोलते ही हैं. What is a personal opinion कि actually में वहीं से हो रहा है या ऐसी बस bluff game? It's a complete bluff game.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt again. Actually, I don't have basic knowledge, but as per my thinking, जो भी जहाँ से भी कर रहे हैं, मगर उसको शायद ये स्किल पता है कि how to connect our mobile number, and when they do the fake call and we receive the spam or junk call, that time they automatically that calls connect to our account, and therefrom they do the transaction. I don't know how this they do the
Now I'll
technique.
tell you how. We guys were using true callers at some point of time, and then we started buying true caller premium. After that true caller premium, I'll share the judgment. See, ठीक है, after we bought Truecaller Premium, that was in nominal prices like 199 or 299 for the whole year. More of fraud calls started coming. And if anyone would have noticed, that's one of the point from where our numbers are getting leaked. We are on WhatsApp, we are on social medias, everything is under out of our control. Though there's encryptions, but messages are only encrypted. Your phone number is not encrypted.
Sir,
Should I remove Truecaller, sir? Are you suggesting me and others?
Yes, Truecaller is one such point.
Okay.
सर एक टाइम पे तो ट्रू कॉलर पे भी लग गया था कि वो डाटा ब्रीच कर रहा है। इससे तो बहुत ज्यादा ये भी हुआ।
See, Truecaller is also breaching. Your Facebook is also breaching. Your Instagram is also breaching. Meta
सर
itself is breaching.
सर जैसे मैं
Everything
सर
is now open, sir. There is nothing private called thing called privacy. Everyone is sharing their
सर
photos, their everything, buying, they're purchasing, they are sharing with people on the social media platform. So it's very much easy for these kind of rukus to start a game against you, fraud,
सर एक बार के
cyber
क्लास
crime.
में तो मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि जैसे गूगल पर आप कोई चीज सर्च करते हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए कि आप वॉशिंग मशीन देख रहे हैं या कोई कपड़े देख रहे हैं, मतलब एक मान लीजिए एक पर्टिकुलर जूता देख रहे हैं, तो वही चीज को आप बंद किए सर्च करना कि चलो अभी कुछ पसंद नहीं आ रहा, बाद में सर्च करेंगे। अब उसी चीज को आप मतलब कि आप अपना सोशल मीडिया खोल रहे हैं, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, तो आप देखेंगे कि वहां पर उस चीज का आपको ऐड आना शुरू हो जाता है कि ये
That
देखो इस पे सेल चल रहा
That
है,
is
30%
artificial
ऑफ, 50%
intelligence.
ऑफ।
yeah,
That is
phone is
artificial
hearing us.
intelligence.
Even Sahil,
सर
see, if
हाँ
I'm not searching anything and we guys are discussing about ki yaar Sahil shoe, let us buy some shoes. White shoes khareedte hain. That will go with our my chinos, right? My phone will automatically say keep sending ads of both shoes and chinos. Mohammed,
सर
you want to say?
डाटा तो इधर से उधर हुआ ना सर, तब भी गूगल ने तो डाटा इधर से उधर कर ही दिया।
हो रहा है. It's not just about Google, it's not just about Meta, it's about everything. iPhone को छो iPhone में फिर भी privacy is maintained till date. बाकी सब Androids and everything it's gone. But once with Apple, with your iPhone, you connect your general Windows laptop, you're done. Anjali is writing, sir, what to do? Account is on lien and cyber cell says to pay the amount to victim and they will give NOC to bank to remove the lien. In such matter, what to do? If the amount is actually fraud and give the return the amount and take the bank will do such things. One of my matters, I'll tell you again. Then again, if you think that the amount was not fraud from your side, then go to the RBI Ombudsman portal and then file a complaint.
सर
Hmm.
सर एक बात अभी पूछी थी ना, शायद तिथि ने पूछी थी या किसी ने, तो शायद उन्होंने पूछी थी कि जैसे हम लोग को नहीं पता है, मतलब हम समझते हैं कि हमें सब पता है, लेकिन सामने में कोई सोशल मीडिया में बैठा हुआ है जिसको हमसे भी ज्यादा पता है कि इससे कैसे हम मतलब फ्रॉड कर सकते हैं या ये नया ट्रिक। तो सर एक तरह से वही नहीं कि वो पढ़ा लिखा इंसान है सर, वो पढ़ा लिखा है तभी तो सर उसको दिमाग भी है कि कैसे हम अलग अलग टाइप का स्कैम कर पा रहे हैं और कर सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। हम एक स्कैम बंद करेंगे तो नया स्कैम सर किसी ना किसी तरह वो लोग नया बिल्ड कर ही देगा।
Yeah, पढ़ा लिखा है, expert, with time expert हो गया. There are many points. Yes, Anya. Anjali, your voice is not audible if you're speaking anything.
सर सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू,
No
पर
worries.
जैसे डाटा शेयर होता है, आई एम फ्रॉम आईटी बैकग्राउंड।
Hmm.
हेलो सर, जैसे डाटा ब्लीच होता है या डाटा लोग कहते हैं कि सेल हो गया है, बेसिकली वो डाटा सेल नहीं होता, क्योंकि मैं एक आईटी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ। तो जैसे हमारा व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक और मेटा, ये सब एक ही डाटाबेस कनेक्ट करते हैं सर। और कभी कभार क्या होता है कि जब डाटा ह्यूज अमाउंट में हो जाता है तो कंपनियां बोरो करती हैं एक लेंडिंग सिस्टम पे कि हम आपका डाटा बेस यूज कर सकते हैं कुछ समय के लिए। तो उसी से जो डाटा, अगर आपने मान लीजिए कि आपने इसमें व्हाट्सएप में कुछ डाला या आपने फेसबुक में कुछ सर्च किया, वही आपको व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टा, गूगल इन सब में दिखाता है। तो काइंड ऑफ ये अगर टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो ये सर डाटा सेलिंग नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अगर इसमें लीगली देखा जाए।
Anya,
जी
can
जी।
you speak in English? We have one person from foreign, from Africa, right?
ओ, माय इंग्लिश इज लिटिल वीक, सो
No, explain me, I'll explain to others.
सर बेसिकली सर देयर आर वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म which
They
share
are
their data.
actually sharing the data over lease
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of thing. Once they
Not
have
sharing,
a
sir.
huge
They are
amount of
borrowing,
data, right?
sir. They are borrowing data because the data center is the same. because they just kind of use lending service, a kind
But
of borrowing service.
again a question that how does it get leaked?
Sir,
If they are
basically,
borrowing the data for some particular use for some same database, right?
yes,
How
sir,
where
yes,
is the leak?
sir. I don't know where there is a leak, but in my scenario, they are just borrowing data from each other, and that only cause some type of chaos. So we think that the data has been leaked, uh, but on the other hand, data has been shared through various of platform because they lend same database for various of platform.
Okay, so sort of is
Uh,
writing remote rural areas where
sir,
police reach. एक second here.
huh.
Remote rural areas where police reach and early enforcement were weak. Poor digital awareness among people across India, making victims easy targets. Cheap mobile phones and easy available internet, which make fraudulent calling simple. Localized gang networks where youths trained one another. Youths are training one another, yes, but again, the internet is not static. No one is buying static data, right? Our Wi-Fi's are going around and around. Our IPs being shared with one another. Again, one of the reasons for data breaches. Yes, Sahil.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था जैसे अनय बोले कि डाटा यहाँ पर लीक नहीं हो रहा है मतलब कि सर जैसे व्हाट्सएप जो है दैट क्लेम्स दैट it the chats are end to end encrypted. So if we talk about buying anything regarding anything, you take an example of anything. So if we do any chatting with our friend or to our loved ones that we want to buy this one, can they suggest us? So sir, that uh, do the WhatsApp seize the data and advertise it on Facebook and Insta?
See, WhatsApp is not advertising anything.
No, no,
Same
sir.
reason.
I am telling
I'll
that
tell you.
messages are end to end encrypted. कोई मैसेजेस तो देख नहीं सकता वहां से. तो सर अगर मैसेज में कोई बात चल रही है तो क्या वो कहीं और हमें एडवर्टाइज होके दिख जाएगा? क्योंकि जैसे उन्होंने अनय ने बोला कि सब मेटा ये सब एक दूसरे से इंटरकनेक्टेड है एक टाइप से.
Hmm. Everything is interconnected. See, Sahil, if you try to download your own data, na, it will get downloaded. किसी की chat, open some chat, go on to three dots, then more, and then export data. It will export everything, including pictures, videos, and everything. The whole chat itself with timestamps. How can you itself say that it is 100% encrypted?
No, sir, sorry to interrupt you, but nothing is encrypted because if you're talking to one another, suppose two-person are talking to one another, ठीक, whether their talks we don't see, but it will still store in WhatsApp database through which Meta, Facebook, and Instagram access them. And like if we talk about shoes, a particular set of shoes, there is a keyword which they detect, and according to them, they show advertisements.
I understand. I understand. But there are again leakages. Our phone is hearing us at each moment. After this course, after this webinar, if your phones are around you and if you are just connected with your phones into this meeting, now your phones will start showing you cybercrime courses online. This will happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you are morphing Modi ji's face like singing and dancing by AI with Melanie, we lack in our part. Okay, nobody told us to share everything happening in our life in social media or everything. Yes, it is all status based. I am eating food, I send a snap streak first. Though I am not sending, but just an example. How to protect your number going forward? Disable permissions. Then once you open your app will be again asking, I need this permission, I need this permission. Your calculator needs your camera's permission. Never write your number publicly. But how will you send your number to anyone? Even if you speak your number, if I tell you that my number is this is going publicly. Avoid giving it to shops. Shops are taking your visiting card, shops are taking your things, and once your phone number is saved in even a single phone, it will get starting morphing. Will start your data will be breached again. Use a secondary number for online registrations. Buddy, one, two, office, and my personal number. But what about that? Still getting breached. I have once I buy my phone, after terms and conditions is only I agree. There's no disagree. So I do not have any option until I buy that Nokia wala phone, bina touch wala. Activate DND. You activate DNDs, you
सर
get no
आजकल
number
तो
calls
सर
through app.
आजकल तो टैप टैप वाला फोन ही सबसे सेफ हो गया है.
Nothing. आजकल वो भी सेफ नहीं है यार. You cannot live without that. How will you able to like communicate? You do not remember numbers. That's one of the reasons we have so phones, expensive phones. Cybercrime, see, cybercrime is increasing because people, one or the other way, are connected to internet. You are not living in remote villages where internet is not connected. जैसे ही you get connected to internet, cybercrime is into your world, cybercrime is into your mind, cybercrime is into your phone, cybercrime is into your data. I'll tell you, once you connect your iPhone into your until MacBook, you connected with your Windows laptop, it gets started. Data is still breached. The problem of data breaches is very crucial since the reporting system appears to be challenged, resulting in larger number of unresolved complaints. It is very much important that we promote awareness and among the people. This is the primary mechanism to tackle these challenges. Where while we expect this system revamp, but the so-called awareness system of today's generation or today's people is putting story on Instagram. Once something happens in the world, they'll just put story on Instagram and they are like, we are doing justice to things. 98% of internet users give less attention to privacy policy, no scope of data use, etc. No one is giving. 98% no, 100% yes. No one is giving anything. No one is reading terms and conditions. We do not have options. Do I have an option of I disagree over certain things?
No,
Your
sir.
camera is asking your permission for your calculator is asking permission for your camera. Why does calculator need your camera? Yes, Anya.
Exactly, sir. That's it.
Yes, Sam.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt, but
No worries.
nowadays, whenever we log on to websites, they show this cookie settings. Whenever we are allowing the mandatory cookies, they are also saving our data and then utilizing it for their improvements.
Cookies, yes.
So how do
Exactly.
they breach our data?
And you have to accept cookies again. Cookies is like saving your data, and what is happening after that, no one knows. But people say that whoever is into IT, the actual IT people, they are saying cookies are for making your website faster. Yes, they make your websites open faster the next time you open it after your first time. But they have your data the first time itself. Enable two-factor authentications, Gmail, Facebook, etc., etc. But again, even if I am having the same email connected to everything, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, bank accounts, UPI apps, and everything, two factors won't make any difference. I have one email ID that is in all my devices, my common email ID. I can do nothing but to wait and watch.
सर किसी किसी में जैसे आता है कि हम अब जैसे किसी को ऐप डाउनलोड किए मतलब या फिर मान लीजिए कहीं पर कुछ डाउनलोड किए हैं तो आप जब उसको यूज करने जा रहे हैं तो वहां पर 2-3 बार ऐसे भी तो होता है कि आपको दे देगा डिनाई ऑल, अलाउ ऑल या अलाउ लिमिटेड एक्सेस. तो क्या इसमें कुछ का हो सकता है लिमिटेड एक्सेस का रिलेटेड?
Allow limited access and allow all is like for one time मैंने limited access दिया, second time मैं फिर limited दिया, but access तो दे दिया ना. ठीक है, डोंट अलाउ, वो उससे तुम्हारा काम कैसे चलेगा? इट इज लाइक कि आई हैव अ कैमरा, ठीक है, इन माय ऑफिस, समवन pick up something from my office and went. I know the person. I do not know the person. I can see his face and I can just put a complaint to the police कि हो जाएगा कुछ. but nothing will happen over a period of time. Yes, Srinivas.
Sir, I have a question. Earlier, we discussed about 1930 cybersecurity, right?
Hmm.
So, whenever there's some fraud is happened, so immediately what we do is based on the knowledge, we raise a query or a complaint online. After that, the complaint will goes to the certain jurisdictional
Cybercrime police station.
department, right? So after that, they'll give a normal call to us, and whatever the proofs we have to upload it in the national security portal.
Hmm.
After that, how come we know that whether the case is going ahead or not? Because the same thing will be displayed on that. We don't have any update.
See,
How
if
can
we are
we?
getting a complaint number, right? We are getting a complaint number. We can track it through the cybercrime portal.
No, I'm asking for what is the update and the positive procedure outcome from the complaint.
See, they
Where
are always
it
into
is showing
investigation.
like that the fraud which in which account it is happened, those accounts will be freezed.
Hmm.
And what about the money back to the loser?
You have to take updates from the bank, because banks will get update and they won't tell you eventually. So you have to keep and sit over the head of the bank to tell you over the things.
We need to follow up with our own accounts
Yeah,
or
yeah, the branch wherever your bank is.
okay,
Yes,
Sir,
Krishna.
can I
right, sir, right.
add?
Sir, I wanted to ask one thing.
Hmm.
This online payment and UPI interface, this is quite new. I mean, it has been
That
hardly 5 to 6 years.
Hmm.
Before that, there was no online transaction. Then that time, how were bank accounts getting hacked? How was the
వాస్తవం వచ్చాయి
data being breached? And how were phone numbers being leaked that time?
See, that time also you were somewhere or the other connected to SMS, right? SMS
Yes.
was getting converted into MMS or MSS, whatever. Uh, once you are connected with internet, that's the whole thing.
Then, sir, nowadays we are required to share our biometrics for various identity verifications and all. Now, if now there have been cases where people are complaining that their property has been the title of the property has been changed, like the wheel has been converted. Someone has hacked their biometrics and their entire possession. That name of the property owner has changed. Now, how is this happening?
That's a completely identity theft. See, they are changing the names because registrations are being done online, right? For registries. After we go to the registrar, they does it online itself. They have the access. They are hacking into those portals. The same answer to everything. Once you are on internet, once anything is on internet, you are under cybercrime. And World War IV, World War III, right, is going to be a cyber war.
Yes.
Nothing but a cyber war. Someone
That
wrote a
means there
question.
is no need of the deep web or anything. It's already out. Everything
Nothing.
is already out there.
Everything. We'll discuss these things in detail in a particular course, and we'll definitely. I'm writing a book over this thing. Like, how can we resolve over things? What from IT hack to cryptocurrencies to everything. Then someone
Okay,
was
so
saying,
then, sir, in that case, LinkedIn account is at higher risk to get hacked. There is
how?
no privacy locker at all.
So does your Snapchat have a privacy locker?
Well, sir, I don't know because I don't use that app.
That's really good. You are one of my kind. I am also not using. That's a very boring app. So someone is writing that IT Act 2000 needs to be repealed. Yes, new amendments are to be taken, and for cybercrime, some other act should also be there. Too much ads also getting popped up as soon as website is accessed and you got shifted to another website or unknowingly clicked a vicious link. How a person born on 80s gets saved from it? He or she hardly learned how to use Android or smartphone. तो दादी ने माना नहीं शिवम कि क्यों दिला रहे हो मुझे फोन, मैं तो उसी फोन पे ठीक हूँ, या दादा ने, सबके घर पे होता है. Sir, does RBI also help us with the overdraft fraud by Bajaj Finserv to the customer? Yes, RBI, then other portals. But there are other ombudsman portals that you can use over this thing. Does it fall in cybercrime? What thing? Bajaj Finserv. I need to understand the matter.
Sir, we have this DPDP 2023 Act, no, sir. Can it be sufficient or?
That's not sufficient. 2023 and 2026. There's a 3-year difference, and AI has taken over everything. You have AI in every single website. So you cannot deny the thing that DPDP Act itself is sufficient. Best way is change
No,
back by
IT Act
help
of
of local
2000.
men. Yes. Sorry, I interrupted. You can speak off.
No, somebody was saying that IT Act of 2000 must be repealed. So DPDP Act is somewhat helpful, na?
Somewhat helpful, but again, you need to give it a comparison with other laws. China is one of them. TPDP Act, not just one country, but yes, China, then Japan, then other countries have their own laws. Put pressure on bank. Bank वाले नहीं सुनते. No help from branch side. RBI में तो put a complaint on RBI ombudsman portal. If branch not help, reach out by email to the
No, but
zonal bank. If anyone needs
this
any kind
act,
of help with their matters, you can reach out to me. Definitely, we can resolve your matters. Yes, Tithi. Yes, Krishna first. Okay, so Tithi.
Sir, if there is no way to stop data breaching or no means nothing, then what to learn? How to learn to stop these things means that I want to know.
Eventually, everything will happen once laws are into market. For now, laws are not being updated as fast as things are happening. Once laws are updated, once they get into implementations, you'll get a lot of information that yes, this is the thing. Because China, we haven't heard of anything. Korea, we haven't heard of any kind of cyber crimes. चलो कोरिया से तो बात बाहर ही नहीं आती. But still, China, Japan, have we heard? No. USA, yes, we have heard fraud being happening. UK, yes, somewhere in Europe. Do you think IT Act should be repealed? Yes, IT Act should be repealed at the earliest, not appealed but amended. Wanted what? How can we save our data? Is there any way? Yes, cookies. Deny certain kinds of cookies. Remove certain kinds of permissions. Check your phones. Check your devices. Remove certain apps. Remove certain third-party apps. Remove certain kinds of data breaches. Then again, one good point, secondary phone, once you have your secondary phone, do not click any pictures with that. Do not give any permissions. That would be a complete phone blank. You can give permissions with that particular number not linked to your bank. Put a new SIM, blank phone, new life. That would be a new life to your third party apps. We can't save our data. We can. Somewhere we can. Will government be liable for any cyber crimes if the offense happened without our mistakes? What do you consider as your mistake and what do you consider as government's mistake? My question arises here. How is government individually liable if you have your own device? I think this is not nothing to laugh, but yeah, a question, general question.
Question actually very funny and it's very logically what is the role of government. That's why we are liable for our own mistake. We have to be very sure what we are doing. That's why.
First in
Sir,
itself, we learn that thing. Yes, Anthony.
sir, recent judgment of Madras High Court is if the government cannot find the gold snatching thief, the government has to be liable for the victim, sir. So, what the role of the government in cybercrime if they do not find the thief, sir? Thieves as hackers as scammers?
Government's role is not direct but indirect if there are no laws. Anya, you can text me over my LinkedIn.
Okay, sir.
And Anthony, then again, government is not implementing anything at the grassroots level. There are various sorry, there are various police stations, there are various other bodies that are empowered to do such things. What are they doing if a government has made laws and they are not implementing?
So the government can be liable, sir. Is there any
Government
time period to find
somewhere
that
can be,
crime?
but not 100% and not direct.
Okay, sir.
Government is liable to make us aware through free webinar. Do you ever visit a government's website, educational website for such webinars? When was the first and last time you visited? Tithi.
Sir, government should play this role through school level, college level, so that student from the grassroots level be aware what is the crime, what is the nature, how to stop this, so that
What?
when they will
See.
mature, they will, sir, please let me speak.
Huh.
They will get mature in our age. They will be enough knowledgeable that they should do this, do not do this. Means then they will means choose what to download, how to download, what to install, how to install, what not to, and easily this thing will be stopped from the grassroots level. Means my motto is to make people mass people aware through school level, college level. That government can do, but government is very sick. I think it has no.
Okay. So, okay, Tithi, I'll correct you at this point. What are we doing? At this point of hour, 8 बजे शाम को, on 9th of December 2025, 135 plus me, 136, or maybe 140 plus people. Most of us would be from different colleges. We guys would be from around 100 colleges. So if I am making you aware, make aware other people. Go and tell your friends that this is the thing that we are up to. This is the thing how to do, how not to do, what to do, what not to do. Or are you afraid ki I'll tell my friend will say, just leave around this thing. Let us put a selfie on Instagram today. Government cannot come to grassroots level. I am sitting at the grassroots level, you are sitting at the grassroots level. No one else. Modi is not coming to your place and giving a lecture.
Sir, there are many government hierarchies there, sir.
Okay.
Ground level hierarchy. So they can work at ground level also, sir.
How many की बात नहीं. Start from one. Start from one, go till 100.
सर
1,
उसके
1,
बाद
2, 3,
उसके
4.
बाजू में मैंने एक चीज लिखा है सर, दैट इज प्रॉफिट थिंग एंड टाइम किलिंग. If I start teaching with the free webinar session, also I can max to max teach like 135 just like today's session, and that will not be helpful. The 1 crore and more than crores peoples in India, how can my message be delivered to the crore peoples?
I am not giving to crore people. 100 colleges. If you give to 4 people, those 4 people give to 4 people each further. That will be crore someday. Our SMS has given red sign. End on S, end on G. Yes, Krishna.
Sir, I feel that it's not just a matter of spreading awareness and teaching. It's a matter of convincing our minds that we are supposed to be careful before doing any kind of activity on the internet. Because whenever we are finding something trendy, we are seeing people around us are doing it, we are diving into it, we are doing it. Despite knowing that this same data might be used for some other service purposes, which I will not never get to know. But the thing
True.
is, still we are not convinced. We are in that fear of missing out. We are in the fear of being looked down upon. People will comment, hey, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. So, what will be the answer? Instead of preparing the answer for that, we are giving into the trends, and we are, it's like the internet is taking advantage of our impulsiveness, and it's doing its work while we are aware that we shouldn't be doing this and that, yet we cannot stop helping it. So, it's a matter of convincing ourselves, I feel.
True. Really a good point. Then again, if we guys are not doing anything, our friends are doing for us. One or the other person does for us. Like I said, my picture I never uploaded on Gemini. One of my good friends uploaded. Though I scolded him afterwards, but still, we are lacking knowledge on cybercrime on how to really stop them, how to teach. Even after the session, are we well trained? Yeah, how can I train you in 1 hour? But yes, eventually, with research work, if you go to internet, if you keep researching, if we guys can sit on the course and if we guys can sit on things, we will eventually we will be perfect. But again, new knowledge, new things, new AIs, new things. How to teach? If my stomach is empty, go eat something, yeah. कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया, कैमरे के पीछे से खा लो लाइक अ बैक बेंचर.
नहीं सर वो बात नहीं है मीन्स द नॉलेज इज नॉट मीन्स माय स्टमक इज नॉट full with knowledge then if a student asking me some questions then I will just stammering in front of him or her then when my stomach is empty then how can I teach him that's my means message.
Do you think I am well trained in this subject? 100% trained or 110% trained? No. If I am speaking in this 1 hour, something or the other incident would have happened at my back, at our backs. There is always a space for learning. We can keep on learning, we can keep on sitting and discussing rather than scrolling on Instagrams or other things. Instagram, WhatsApp universities are over now. कर दो यार फीडबैक फॉर्म का शेयर लिंक. See, options are there are options. We need to research on them. We need to sit and think over those options. Is it actually possible? Possibilities, feasibility studies. Any other query? आधे तो बोर होके they have already left. There were 140 plus people. 140 and something others. But still, those 140 से 116 others रह गए हैं. People are interested. Some are interested, some are not interested. Paras is saying 180 plus. He have
Hello
the
sir.
number of
Sir,
180 plus.
Hello sir.
sir,
Yeah,
half are coming for certificate only, sir.
that's what. They are like, we'll get certificate, we'll be over with that.
Hello sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to sir, my questions for on behalf of all the participants here. Kindly deliver us message how to get back our money which we lost or cheated by XYZ. And if we don't want to reach to the cyber crime and we want to avoid the long journey of police action, court action, and so and so, how to get back that money very in short timing, short way? Is there any way or possibilities?
Just text me your matter and whatever documents you have over my WhatsApp or my LinkedIn. I'll tell you. Don't worry over that. I'll explain you the whole thing. We'll be discussing yeah things. Even after
Sir,
disabling permissions and
sir,
cookies,
she
there are still
asking for
loopholes.
precautions, sir.
Hmm.
She asking for precautions steps, sir.
If she's asking for precautions, see, never buy from third party sites. Only the sites that are going on like Amazon or maybe Flipkart or something. Meesho also is good. Yes, Manish. Yes, Manish. Anaiza, is the website or app too important? You can use other sources for things. There are always alternatives available. What thing do you actually want? I am still unaware. Like you want these different kinds of solutions for different kinds of possibilities that may or may not happen, right? Tithi, am I right here in my question?
Sir, means many of the
Yes,
participants.
sir.
But again, you give me this situation. See, we do not have so much time. There are so many kinds of situations. There are n number of situations that can happen. If you keep giving me the situation, and if I keep giving the solutions, would be 12 or 1 in the morning. Are you good to go with that time? At least that time. You cannot anticipate over everything. मैं गाड़ी लेके निकला हूं तो आई कैन नॉट एंटिसिपेट कि एक्सीडेंट होगा ही होगा. आई एम वेयरिंग माय सीट बेल्ट. Even after I am driving carefully, even after that things can happen. Outside your jurisdiction, you just keep calling the police station. They are investigating. See, there are police stations, there are local bodies that are empowered there in that jurisdiction. You need to contact them.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to means leave from the session I have,
Oh,
and
sure, sure.
thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
No worries. If anyone has any query, you can speak up. We have time. We can spend next 10 minutes as well. 10 more
Sir,
minutes.
I have sent LinkedIn request to you, sir.
Sure, I'll check. I'll check after this.
सर
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Sujit.
क्या प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनएक्टिव ऑफ लॉ है?
क्या है?
क्या इनएक्टिव ऑफ लॉ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन है?
Awareness of law, you are saying कि problem to the solution to the problem.
ओके सर, पर इंडिया में तो कई सारे लॉ एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर भी हमारा प्रॉब्लम जो है वो सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, तो इस पर आपका क्या
तो
ओपिनियन है?
रोज की ब्रदर नई प्रॉब्लम्स भी तो अराइज हो रही हैं. कोई सिंह की प्रॉब्लम रोज की नहीं क्रिएट नहीं हो रही. पीपल उतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं. दे आर क्रिएटिंग देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स. दे आर क्रिएटिंग देयर ओन सॉल्यूशंस. So
यस सर.
law need to be diligent. They need to be more solution specific, problem specific to get the solution. They cannot be just bookish. Yes, Jigyasa. No worries. Yes, Krishna.
So, can you just briefly tell how can we spot deep fakes or impersonated images? Is there any way like we can just pinpoint by looking with the bare eyes that something is odd? It's not natural.
Most of the pictures that you view, deep fakes or whatever, see you if you know a person and uska deep fake is being created, you will immediately know कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong here. ठीक? But if you do not know that person, just report it. If you see that पीछे का background, from the background, generally not from the picture, but from the background, from the angles, you know that something is suspicious about that particular picture. From one or the other angle, you need to check everything. You need for phishing, deep fakes, you need to check the website or the email that you have received. पीछे से
And
देखना
sometimes there's also voice cloning. Now, how can we spot that? For instance, for public figures, we already know their voice. Now, if that is getting cloned, how will we differentiate?
So if a public figure's voice is being cloned, and some message comes, ठीक है, बर्थडे मैसेज कम्स टू यू, विल यू बी लाइक एक्सेप्टिंग दैट थिंग कि मुझे किसी ने बर्थडे विश किया, किसी हीरो या हीरोइन ने?
No, not like that. But in case of advertisements and promotions, in that case, how should we be careful?
Advertisements, check, see, listen from one ear, take out from the other ear. Advertisements are vague आज की डेट में, ठीक. For other things as well, it's the same way. Once you get aware, once you get to know the things, na, you will be like, yes, things are happening. You
Sir,
be fully aware.
one doubt.
Okay, sir.
They say that in case any of your pictures, if been morphed and put in some websites, the cyber law, the cyber cell of India claims that it can be removed by 24 hours just by clicking a link and doing it. You know how is it done, and
Again,
where should a commoner go
again,
and give a
again,
complaint?
again, I took for taking out a picture from one portal of cybercrime, I'm putting my photo, that particular photo, on other cybercrime portal. Why?
No, no, sir. Like in India, they claim I happened to attend one webinar where they were giving training to this police officers and everything, telling that you can remove. Well, a commoner need not go to the police station and give the complaint. In case he or she is facing these sort of insults or something, they can just upload. They can just go to some website, click and put in picture of themselves or something else and give their details and remove it out. Does it actually work, or if some cases like that, a commoner should go to the police station and then give the report, and like that only it works? How does it work?
See, police portals are somewhere encrypted. If I take out my picture from one place and upload it on another place, like I am researching on something for removing plagiarism and AI, I am putting into some other AI. Is it actually worth?
It's not worth, but what other resolution do I have? See,
Better.
suppose let's say my picture has been morphed and it has been uploaded in some websites and everything. I get to know it. So, what action, as a commoner, not as a lawyer, not as a law student, as a commoner, if I have to advise a girl who is in a very vulnerable situation,
One zero
what she has
nine
to do?
1903, the number, or the portal, cybercrime portal, upload it immediately.
So that's what exactly how exactly do you that cybercrime portal works? Because whenever we
They'll
try to
register from,
access it, hmm?
I'll tell you,
Yeah.
you just give your phone number, they'll send you an OTP and you'll get registered. You put the everything, the complaints and everything, and they actually remove it. Your fake Instagram accounts or fake things.
Okay, within 24 hours.
Within not just 24 hours, sometimes within hours, sometimes it may take time, but yes, they do. They actually work.
Okay. So because we see a lot of young teenagers suiciding because of this morph pictures, morph mails, and all those things.
Yeah,
So even
teenagers.
though,
See,
yeah.
again, teenagers for spreading awareness, for a war that is going on in some other country, for they're protesting over their own Instagrams, and they think that is that's all that they have to do. And once they are protesting over this thing, if I put something, if you follow me, you'll reshare it. No matter how fake is it, how you won't check it. So better be aware, better check on other news portals, check on other things, and then reshare.
Okay, so thank you for giving
No
clarity.
worries, no worries. I have accepted everyone's LinkedIn requests. जितनी भी थी 50 के around. Done for the day then. Any queries? Any points you want to keep?
No, so the session was very useful. Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries. Okay then, Team Legal Vidya, let's give it a closure.
So, thank you all for joining us today. And a special thanks to Advocate Mehul Bansal sir for such an engaging and insightful session. And before we conclude, I'm happy to share that Legal Vidya has launched the Cyber Law course, and Advocate Mehul Bansal sir himself will be leading that course as well. So if you found today's webinar helpful, you'll definitely enjoy learning more in the upcoming course. So if you are seriously interested in learning about cyber law, the registration link for cyber law course is given in the feedback form. You can register there. Thank you once again for being with us. Have a great evening and stay safe online.
Do share that call link with me as well over my LinkedIn ना मेरे को टैग करना I'll reshare it.
Sure, sir.
हाँ और वो फ्रॉड नहीं है I'll tell you course बच्चे साइबर क्राइम सोच रहे हैं.
Sir, one last guidance I want from you. So hello.
Yeah, tell me.
So, I have just graduated now. So my interest is in cyber law. So I am also planning to take diplomas from Nalsar University on cyber law. How exactly should I process it to take it up as my career? What other career opportunity do I have in this?
Text me over my platform. We'll
Okay,
discuss.
sir. Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Okay.
Yes, Sabna.